ScaleXtreme makes cloud-based server automation and management tools. We work closely with customers who want to go to the cloud and get the benefit of an elastic compute infrastructure, but they run into obstacles. In fact, one of the biggest obstacles customers face is the lack of controls and visibility into public cloud cost. ScaleXtreme can help. We like to think of ourselves as the key that unlocks the mystery of cloud cost and helps you make good decisions. That's why we're happy to announce budget and cost controls for the public cloud. This is a new tool that gives ScaleXtreme customers immediate visibility into ongoing spending and the marginal cost of new machines. It gives customers the ability to set and enforce budgets with remarkable granularity. It works with most cloud providers today, including those running either OpenStack or vCloud Director. Support for other public cloud providers is coming soon. This video will show you how to describe budgets, set alerts, and monitor public cloud spending. Setting a budget is easy with ScaleXtreme. We give you the ability to define the period and the user authorization level. You can create operating groups based on which cloud your machines are hosted in, or based on the function of the machines themselves. You can set hard limits, which prevent new machines from being launched, or soft limits, which send alerts when budget parameters are exceeded. Here's an example of what a finalized budget looks like inside the ScaleXtreme web-based interface. You can see the period type. In this case, we've set the budget to weekly. You can see the level we've selected. We're going to budget at the organizational level. Now we're interested in managing the budget for our Rackspace machines, so you can see that it's selected here too. Then we have the date range for which this budget will apply. You can see we've set a soft limit to start sending out warnings when we're over budget, and a hard limit, which will prevent users in our organization from launching new Rackspace machines. To create this kind of budget, use the ScaleXtreme Budget Wizard and start by giving your budget a name. You can budget by provider or by tag. Adding tags brings up a process that has its own set of steps. We'll skip those for now because we just want to create a budget by provider account, and we've selected the provider Rackspace. Now you have to set the time period you'd like to budget and the level of organization at which you'd like the budget to apply. Then it's time to define the date which your budget will apply to. You'll see that the default effective end date is set to the year 6612. We get a lot of questions about that. There's no significance to the date. It was just as far out as we could imagine into the future. Go ahead and click Next. This takes you to the hard and soft limit setting options. You can set these limits based on user role. If a user exceeds a soft limit, the system's administrator will start getting alerts about it. Exceed a hard limit, and you'll be unable to launch any new machines. Go ahead and click Finish. Now you can see the finalized budget and check to make sure that everything is right. When you're happy, you can select your preferences for how and when you want to be alerted when someone goes over budget. ScaleXtreme can deliver the information to you via email, Twitter, or iOS alert. You can monitor your ongoing spending easily from the ScaleXtreme dashboard. Or, if you'd like, you can drill down into individual budgets to get a sense of where you are with respect to your plan. That's a quick overview of how to describe budgets, set alerting, and monitor spending. ScaleXtreme budget and cost controls for the public cloud gives you immediate visibility into ongoing spending and to the marginal cost of new machines. You can set and enforce budgets, and it works for all OpenStack and vCloud Director-based machines today. We're going to be supporting other public cloud providers soon. As always, if you'd like to learn more, please consult the online documentation on the ScaleXtreme website. Or you can check out the online training section. And of course, you can always write to us and call.